Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete chats on PolyBuzz. So first of all, launch open PolyBuzz application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here PolyBuzz application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the Explorer interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Simply tap on the chat icon that you can see right next to the icon for home. Now you'll be led to the chat interface. You'll be able to see all your chats over here. So in order to delete the chat, what you have to do is identify the chat that you want to delete and long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like topic, hide, delete. Simply tap on the option delete. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. All chat records and related information will be discarded after deletion. If you're okay with that, simply tap on the option delete. Now you can see over here that chat will be deleted. So that is how you delete chats on PolyBuzz. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.